Welcome to our Forms tutorial. Here, we'll guide you through the process of creating basic rules for your lead capture forms. Let's explore a few use cases. First up, creating a rule to display hidden fields. For instance, when specifying that the current address is different from the permanent address, a previously hidden permanent address field becomes visible. Let's recreate this rule. First, toggle the Hide by Default option for the permanent address field. This is a custom drop-down lead field with values yes and no. You can create custom fields on the lead settings page. Next, navigate to the Rules tab. Click the Add Rule button. Under the Select Condition drop-down, let's select our custom field. Configure the condition as equals to no. And lastly, in the Actions section, configure the rule to show the permanent address field. Use similar steps to display hidden sections as well. Next, let's discuss creating a rule to make fields mandatory. In this example, when someone selects passport or PAN card as the identification type, the respective field becomes mandatory. To recreate this rule, navigate to the Rules tab. Based on the identification type, we've created two rules that make the passport and PAN fields visible. Let's add another condition to each rule. If identification type is passport, then perform the action, make passport number field mandatory. And if identification type is PAN, then perform the action, make PAN number field mandatory. Ensure you've selected all conditions in both rules. Lastly, let's explore making a field read-only. Here, when you select Aadhaar or Social Security number as the address proof, the country of residence is set to India or USA respectively, and it makes the field read-only. Let's navigate to the Rules tab. Add a rule that says, if address proof type is Aadhaar. Then perform the actions. Set value in the field country of residence to India. And make the field country of residence read-only. Add a similar rule when the address proof type is Social Security number. Ensure you've selected all conditions in both rules. And there you go. Those were some basic form rules. Dive in and start creating forms that work for you.